These guys here have made over 12,000 sales. These reviews shows that they have over 12,500 sales. Alright, this is a listing of a Vax canvas on Etsy which sells for €149.57, and they have over 12,513 sales. So now let's make the calculation. €149.57 times 12,513. So you can see that these guys has made almost 2 million in sales, which is they've made 1.8 million in sales already. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create a listing like this and make money by selling free photos online. It's going to be a legal way to earn money online with a photo. So this is going to be splitted into 3 steps that we're going to be combining together to make this work and earn money online. So but before we jump into that, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. And also give this video a thumbs up. I guarantee you will get so much value in today's video. So make sure you take note, and most thing is that you need to start implementing this method as soon as you watch this video. So with that being said, let's get started. As you can see here, we're now on Google. We have so many photos about sunsets, and all these photos here you can use them. But if you want to find a free photos on Google, you can just go to tools and click on the usage right, and you can use all this Creative Commons license, which means any photos that come under this Creative Commons license, they are allowed to be reused. But be careful, you can use public domain pictures also, but you need to read this carefully on Google Wikipedia about public domain. You can see the public domain consists of all the creative work to which no exclusive intellectual property rights apply. Those rights may have expired, been forfeited, waived, or maybe inapplicable. So this is why we can use some photos on the internet, but you need to be careful. Make your research what type of photo you want to use. But I'm going to be showing you an example today where we're going to be getting free photos, which means that this free photo we can reuse them and we can also legally sell them online. So now you can easily just go to Google search and type something like free photo editors, and you're going to see all this website here popping out. But there's this one here that we can start using without not making so much researches. So for this video's sake, first of all, this is how the steps goes. We need to find images that we're going to use. Okay, so now when we come to freeimages.com, we can just go to the search bar and search on what type of photo we want to look for. But in this video tutorial, I'm going to be using photos that has to do with the nature. It's an art, so I want to go here and click find art. Maybe stock photo you want to use, it depends on what kind of photo you want to use. But for me, I want to use find art, so I click on the find art, and now I want to write sunset. I want to look for sunset pictures that I can reuse. So these first pictures here, you are not allowed to use them because they are not for free. So we want to look for free photo that we can reuse. Now there are so many photos here that pops out. Only we have to see the picture's dimension. This is very, very important because we want the picture dimension to fit what we want to use it for. So this is why we want to make sure we go click on some and look at their picture dimension. As you can see, these ones here, they have even a very large picture dimension. The original size is 3811 times 2764. That is a bit too large. You can just go and look for another photos that we can reuse. So when I click on this one is 744 times 704. This is a bit too small. I want to go back and try to look for something a bit better. When we find a picture that we want to use, just go and click on download, and this is going to download straight up to your computer. So after doing that, now I want to go to the next step, which is we want to start editing this photo. And to do that, you can also go to Google and look for free photo editor. So you can also go to Google and search for free photo editor, but we can also use this one here, photofilters.com. photofilters.com is a free photo editors that we can start using now. So to save time, you just want to go and click on photofilters.com on your browser, and this will pop out. So now we just click on browse, and we can upload the photo here, so we can start editing. So to edit this photo, we just want to change the filter. We can change it to this one here. It looks kind of horrible. I don't know if you can see that. Or we can just change it to this simple heart here. Or I change it to brownie. So I think this looks better now. Okay, we're gonna leave it in brownie. So now after doing that, you just want to download it to your computer. To download it, you just want to go to file, and you're gonna save the image to your computer. So click on save image. So this will save direct to your computer. That is already the second step. We already edit the photo. Now we're going to go to the third step, which is we want to sell this photo. And to do that, the first website we need to start selling this photo is Printify. So this is already Printify. This is a website where we can print this photo on different articles like t-shirts or canvas or even a mug or even telephone casing. So now if you don't have any account with Printify, you can go to Printify and sign up for Printify, and you can start selling immediately. To start creating things you can sell on Printify, you can just go to start selling. So it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, there are so many things that you can sell here, with your photo. So we want to go to home and living. I want to click on canvas. So this is what we want to do, guys. We want to sell canvas with these photos that we've downloaded. So now we can just go ahead and click on this new one here. So we can just go and click on start designing, so we can add our design from our computer, which is what we've already edited. So we have it here. We can just make it wider as possible. We can even make it more wider, drag it how we want it to be like. So this is just an example for you guys to see how it works. So we can leave it like that. And next thing we want to do is that we want to go to Etsy and start listing our Canva on Etsy. As you can see, there are so many Canva here, so at least we want to replicate what is already working. So you want to go to Etsy and look for images like that are already selling, and from there you can get ideas of what you're going to create and start selling on Etsy as soon as possible. After listing your product, your image now on Etsy, first of all, to do that you need to sign up. Of course, you need to sign up for Etsy, and you can start listing your product. So as you can see here, the listing is already finished. So we have these different photos here that we can use for our Etsy. So if you like, we can just use this here. So this is how it's going to look on the wall. All right, guys. So this is just an example of how it could look like. And after creating this list, you can just go down, and the description is already made for you. You can just easily go ahead and use this description. This product costs $10.33. You can sell it for double price, or you can even triple the price, but they give you a price that you can sell it. So if you sell it for $70.22, your profit will be $6.89, for example, and that is 40% profit margin. If you like, you can make a 60% profit margin. It depends on you. Okay? To start selling this, you need to rank on Etsy, and to rank on Etsy, you just go on YouTube and make your research. You search for how to rank on Etsy, and there are so many video tutorials here that you can learn from to know how to rank on Etsy. So when you rank, you are going to get organic sales. This is what I want to show you guys today. So I hope you get value on this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, because it will help other people to see this video, people that want to learn how to make money online. And if you're new here, also subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos like this, you will get update. And one more thing, I want you to start implementing this method to see the result with it. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.